Hello kids! Today we will learn baby animals name. Let's start. Do you know kids? What is this? This is lion. And which lion is baby? Lion's baby called cub. Do you like kids? Cub? Wow. This is which animal kids? Tiger. And this is tiger's baby. Tiger's baby called cub. Tiger's baby called cub. Very good kids. Do you know which animal is this? Kids, this is elephant. And this is elephant's baby. Elephant's baby called is calf. Kids, do you see elephant and elephant's baby? Wow, very nice. Elephant's baby called calf. This is which animal is this? This is giraffe. Giraffe has long neck. And giraffe has a baby. Giraffe's baby called calf. Elephant's baby called calf. And giraffe baby also called calf. Do you know giraffe has long neck? And giraffe's baby called calf. Very good kids. Which animal is this kids? This is a zebra. Do you see zebra? Yes, very good. And this is zebra's baby. Zebra's baby called Foal. Very good kids. Which animal is this kid? This is a deer. Very good kids. And deer's baby's name? Fawn. Deer's baby name is Fawn. Very good kids. Kids, do you know which animal is this? This is a bear. Do you like teddy bear? Yes. This is bear. And bear's baby animal's name is cub. Very good kids. Kids, which animal is this? Do you see? And say me, what's name this animal? This is a wolf. And this is wolf's baby. Its name is Pop. Kids, which animal is this? Do you see this animal? This animal's name is Fox. And this is Fox baby. Fox baby's name is Kit. This is big animal. His name is Rhinoceros. Do you like rhinoceros, kid? Yes, very good. Rhinoceros baby's name is Calf. It is small. Very, very good, kids. Now like, share and subscribe. Learn and grow with Sabiha. Goodbye, kids. Thank you.